So before we can even have a common denominator, we have to find what's called a common multiple. When you find multiples, you're basically taking the denominators times 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on until you can find a number that matches the other number. So what I like to do is I like to set it up like this. I like to line up my numbers so that way I know I can find it easier. So let's go ahead and do 4 first because it's the smallest. So the first thing we do is we say 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 16. Oops. Let me erase that. Sorry, 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. And this is where your multiplication facts really come in handy, because the more you know your facts, the easier it is to think it through. And now the bottom number, the higher number. 8 times 1 is 8. Now we could still continue going to the first 5 like I love to do, just to make sure, but I already know that 8 and 8 are in both. So that means that 8 is the least number that we can get. So our bottom numbers or denominators are going to be 8s. Now what we have to think about is what did we have to multiply our denominators by to get 8? If we take it from the top to the bottom, we know that 4 times 2 equals 8. So what we do to the bottom, we have to do the top. So 3 times 2 is 6. And down at the bottom, to get 8, we didn't have to do anything. We just had to multiply it times 1. So you can go ahead and put that times 1 if you would like, or if you already know that you just carry it over, then go ahead and just carry it over. And now we have to figure out our answer. So now we have 6 plus 2, is 8. And we bring down our denominators, which is another 8. And we have 8 over 8, or 1. And that is how to add fractions with unlike denominators. Thank you and have a great day.